Hello everyone, I am Professor Sangeeta Dhamdere, Librarian of Modern College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Ganeshkhind, Pune. I am here to give brief introduction about our library. Our central library has established in 1992 since the college establishment. Since then, college has made consistent progress in terms of its collection, services, facilities. We have sufficient number of books, e-journals, print journals and CDs, DVDs. We have taken membership of Delnet and Enlist consortia, and we try our best to provide our patrons different services. Our library is fully automated with barcode technology, and we have digital information center in our library, which has total 13 PCs on which our students, we gave our students access to internet and all electronic resources available free of cost. The main purpose of our library is to freely disseminate knowledge and support teaching, research and academic activities. Also, our library operates on need-based operations rather than usual rule-based operations. Main objective of our library is to enrich collection, to promote library as a vibrant unit, to spread awareness about e-resources and open access softwares and tools. Main motto of our library is to give maximum information for maximum number of times by maximum number of ways in minimum time. We have different sections in our library. Stack room is there. In that, reference and textbook sections are different. We have a big reading hall of capacity 150 students. We have digital information center. We have ready reference section where student can refer encyclopedias, dictionaries and handbooks which are not available, they can take outside of the library. We have total 12 library staffs which are who are all qualified. 4 of them are masters in library and information science, 2 are bachelors in library and information science, and other supportive staff. Our college has a library advisory committee which consists of 6 members. Principal is chairman of that committee. 1 senior faculty is in charge of that committee. Librarian is secretary of that committee, and from each branch senior faculty is there in this committee. Also we have student representative in this committee. So far our collection reached up to, book collection reached up to 28,000 books of cost about 90 lakhs, and we subscribe more than 100 print periodicals. Our library has received various grants from UGC, DBT, DST and Pune University under various BCD projects of our teachers. Also we received many donations from our patrons. We provide various services and support research. Computerized issue return, open access to all students. We preserve newspaper clippings of our college news. We provide article indexing service, current awareness service, select SDI service. On our library website we created research support. So even we have created online tutorials for our patrons so that they can use our library very good way. Every year we conduct various 2-3 book exhibitions and many activities we conduct throughout the year. Our library publishes Granthaved, an e-newsletter, twice a year, in which our readers contributes book reviews, various articles, and it covers, through this we update our readers about library collection, services, and college activities. So, our college library website is www.moderncollegegk.org. On that, you will in library column you will see various columns. In that you will see library blog also, which is very interactive. Student interacts through that blog with us. We have we conduct online survey of our student. So I wish you all the best and happy reading. Thank you.